So we're back, guys. Hope you're having a merry Christmas. I've got Second Image people in the house. This band started, Tricia, 1990.
1990, that was our first tour.
Yeah.
And of course, it was the year of the coup. It was my very first time stepping out of my household. And my parents were promised, no, that's fine, we have her, she's going to be safe. Except we got out to Canada, then we couldn't even call home.
Wow.
So I was not only dealing with homesickness, but fear, because of course my father was in the military.
Oh.
So it was a pretty dramatic first tour, first big tour.
So that was like after Carnival of 1990, you all went out.
This is July 1990.
Yeah. So that was it, the tour,
yes,
Carnival 1990.
right
and
after.
You all went out and touring. Yeah.
Big things happening, but it was. I had Big Brother Russell. I felt good. I felt. It was the first time I felt that this is my band. These are my people, and we are one group.
What is
really good.
No. Spoke about the reunion and the fact that the band is coming back together, guys. Literally, the three of you all as headline singers, Tricia, Russell, and Hilton.
Yes.
Back together again for the first time?
Yes.
First time since?
First time. Yes.
Wow. What does that mean to you? What does that feel like?
I think, for me, I get a deep sense of pride because we did something so many years ago. It was a classic, but our fans waited until many years later. It's still there, the brand is still strong, and it tells me and the rest of us that we really made our mark at the time, and the fact that it's alive and well and something that we're all very excited about. The fans are very excited about it. It's a great moment.
Yeah. You mentioned Jordan, and of course Joey wanted to be here.
Yes, he did.
But Joey, when you think of back then, Joey would have kind of been very also instrumental in ensuring that band kind of came through.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You mean after, I missed the first part, say it again. You mean parts Johnny, is that what we're talking about?
No, after his dad.
After his dad, well then Joey, but then after his dad, Joey took the band to whole new spaces.
Yeah.
And that's the whole point really, is that we started as one thing, and then it evolved.
Don't worry about me here.
And then it evolved into so many different parts, and that what stayed was the original concept of IMIJ. And it managed to go from there to here and come back around again, and that says something,
I want to thank the folks at Hunts for making this one possible, and I'm just going to be using a 4 cheese. So many varieties in this Hunts. There's the mushroom, there's a traditional 3 cheese, roasted oil.
I'm a roasted garlic.
Herb and garlic, I love the herb and garlic. I love the herb and garlic. I love a Hunt sauce. I love to play with the flavors. And I like to mix flavors according to what I'm doing. And you kind of just mix that in there and allow it to come together. I have some ricotta cheese.
Right.
So I'm going to just kind of prepare the stuffing. So all I'm doing to this ricotta cheese is that I had some mushrooms, peppers, some onions.
And then stir it in?
I just kind of sauteed it with some salt and pepper, very simple. And I just want to get that in here.
That's pretty.
To flavor the ricotta cheese. So ricotta cheese might sound big and fancy. You can use cream cheese. It's just a nice creamy base that you want to stuff. And you just kind of fold in all this goodness. This filling could be flavored differently. You can use spinach,
anything you want to put in there.
Yeah, whatever type of vegetables you have here, tomatoes, whatever you have on hand. I always say sometimes you may see me use things, but hey, if you have other replacements,
options.
Feel free. Put your twist on it. So I added some Parmesan.
Right.
I just also want to add a little cheddar cheese in here as well. Nice cheesy. So they do 4 cheese. I did 2 cheese.
So now we have how many cheese? 5 cheese dish. 6 cheese dish.
Well, step 1, 2 is 6. So we're doing
6 cheese
a 6 cheese pasta dish.
Sounds like
Mix in
happiness to me.
Yeah. And this is ready and set to go. So time to bring on Mr. Energy. He's in the back and he's dying to come on and grace us. One of the other frontline members of the original Second Image is none other than Russell Kadoga. And we knew it was Russ!
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, stand back.
Stand back, stand back.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes. Every Christmas I sing, I passing by you, but boy, every year I always have something to do. So this year I'm making it a priority to check on my friends and family that mean the most to me. When we eating, bring out the hops and ham, bring out the turkey, bring out the black egg, bring out the rabbit and the stew lamb, bring out the pasta, something and sweet bread. And if you have no food, that's alright. Just give me love instead. Christmas is for family.
You're right, that's all for me.
Yeah.
You're right, that's all. You're right, that's all the common couple do.
Hey.
What do you mean, brother?
I am exhausted.
Come closer to me, Russell. Come closer.
It's not like how much? 20 years ago? 20, how many years ago we counting?
Don't even let
No,
Russell say.
come on, let's come 22 years ago.
How much more jumps having me?
22 years ago.
It's been a
I
minute.
saw
It's been
Russell
a
on the
minute.
road. Russell is exactly how he used to be. I seen him on the road last year before. Not last year. 2 years before that little period.
Exactly. Russell, how are you?
It's good to be here,
Merry Christmas.
Joe.
Merry
Merry Christmas to you.
Christmas.
I'm with my baby, Tricia.
So these two will be performing, as I said, on stage at that concert. It's on the 20th of January.
20th of January
Yes.
at the Anchorage.
You live Kwaito. You live on that Kwaito side.
We're quite close.
And you guys actually kind of met when you came in the studio here today.
Today,
Yeah.
There are lots of talk. We're on the chat group and everything, but we haven't seen each other for quite some time.
Give each other a hug. Give each other a
Yeah,
hug.
this
Russell,
is my
give me a
girl.
hug.
Yeah.
I am still, every time I look to my left on stage, and I
Yeah.
see, I know Tricia's in the band,
Yeah.
When I look to I'm still, oh my God, is she in the band? I've always said, when I look to my left and I see Tricia on stage,
Yeah.
even from 1990 to 2000, and I looked at her and I said, oh my gosh.
Russell, but why are you sitting there looking down? You have to look up. Why are you looking down? I look to my left.
Tricia, don't put me on the spot right now.
The camera put it on the spot.
So I have some shells, and we have some cheese, but it's really about just stuffing these shells. So I'm going to show you.
Right.
I'm going to do one quick demonstration
Right.
how it's done, and then it's over to you in terms of
So I do one and
whether
then
you
Russell
guys
does
eat or
one.
not. Yeah, whether you guys eat or not.
Tricia, we on the clock, eh?
Make it
So
good.
one, I would say about a spoonful
Yeah, Pachel.
and a
Pachel.
and all you do is you kind of close them in like this,
Okay.
and then you have,
So the cheesy thing goes
you have
after.
one.
This
Which
business,
is
this
the-
business
yeah,
is after.
that's the top. That's the
Okay.
top. So I'm going to do one more for you guys.
You looking?
Yeah, I watch, I'm watching.
You wish you
I'm
were eating.
listening.
So a teaspoon.
Yeah,
This is easy as
yeah.
singing a soca,
All right.
right? What I want to do just before you guys come on. This lovely Hunt's tomato sauce that
Right.
we did. So I want to lay.
Oh.
God, that looks good.
Oh, I didn't know that was
Yeah.
happening
So
like that.
that was happening, right? Nice.
Wow, that's
layer.
gonna go into the pasta and everything. That's gonna be something.
All right. So a nice layer at the base, and then you guys start. 1,
Placing the shells.
2.
Right.
I need to have a seat. I've been
Well,
on my
let's
feet
do-
for the entire
we're doing
day.
it together?
Yes, you're doing it together.
This could go
All
by.
right.
Okay, is that your spoon?
Yeah, this is my
Oh,
spoon.
This is
here.
your shell.
Use your spoon. Right.
This- you want-
You hold the shell.
I'm holding the shell.
Right.
This is an operation.
Yeah.
Russell, don't get it wrong, eh? Russell, you ever cooked?
A spoon, no, girl.
Russell, have you ever cooked?
I am great in the kitchen, but
Okay, eating.
yeah, eat it right.
That's too much.
Yeah. A spoon and a
Right.
spoon and a Right.
We got it.
Right.
Give it
That's
a
one.
and then
Give it
we-
a squeeze.
Right.
Right.
That's fine.
Right here,
That's
Tricia. Right here.
Come here, move into so
Right. Right. A spoon and a
In.
Tricia,
Russell,
hold it, Tricia. Hold it. Right. Come on. Come on, Tricia. Come.
all you have to do is put
Right.
that
So guys, this is some mozzarella and cheddar. that I'm just kind of dotting over each one.
Taking us to
And
70.
then I want to take the same tomato sauce, Hunt's
on
tomato
the-
This
on
sauce.
top
looks
of it.
amazing. This is like, wow.
I-
It's a wow dish.
Yeah, so it's luxury Christmas, as I said, lovely pasta
And
dish
the
to kind
colours.
of, oh
It's
my
pretty.
goodness. And then some final cheese just to the top,
Yeah, just
just for good measure. It's Christmas.
God, that's
Yeah,
so
it's
good.
Christmas. So we
good,
can overdo
yeah.
it. We can overdo a little.
waste
Yeah.
not want not.
Waste not one.
Right.
Just eat it. Oh.
Yeah. This goes in the oven and bakes at about 350
For how long?
I would say just about 25, 30 minutes.
Wow.
Kind of thing.
So the sauce will go into all the pasta.
But I have one here for you ready.
And we
Right.
are thanking the heavens. for
Yeah. So I have one here ready for you guys.
Fucking you. Yummy in my tummy.
All that cheesy tomato goodness.
We haven't taken our eyes off of it yet.
Just put the dish right here for me.
He's feeling like, okay, so that's his. The dish is gone.
So Joel, this is yours. This is Tricia, and the dish is mine.
That is a lovely dish for Christmas.
Guys,
Thank you,
enjoy.
thank you.
Enjoy.
Tricia, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
So big concert, big reunion concert featuring these guys, the Second Image Crew coming back together again, January 28th, down at the Anchorage. It's happening. Just before you go, you guys enjoy this.
Yes.
It's
Russell,
delicious.
will you try to make this?
Yeah.
You will?
You just give me the ingredients, and I'll take it to somebody.
There you go.
Whoa!
So this is yours?
Hans, thank
Russell,
you.
I need you to invite me when you make this for Christmas.
Me too.
Yeah!
Your chance in that? I will.
For Hans for making it possible. Russell, cook up with Hans.
Okay.
Yeah?
Thank you very
We're
much.
coming right back, guys.
One day